What's up, guys? This is the channel update episode. Okay, guys, so I come to you today from the driver's seat of the 99 GTP. I just wanted to update everyone on a couple things because I know over the past couple weeks my uploads have been a little less than regular, and some of the content that I was talking about having out by now hasn't happened. So I just wanted to say I'm sorry for that, but I'm still working on those episodes. The second episode of Making Power 101 is going to come out. I will probably have it out next week, but I don't want to promise anything because I'm not sure. But on the one good side, I have gotten a second camera, and I think that's going to help me a lot with versatility and also with being able to do some shots that I can't do with the camera that I've been using. So I thought the best way to show you guys my new camera was to put a little montage together with my dirty cars. So here's that. So as you can see, that is the GoPro Hero 5. I'm going to be using that to try to get some action shots and stuff that I can't do with the camera that I have. So hopefully that'll improve the content a little bit. And on the subject of content, I know my cars have been left out of the last couple videos, and I wanted to give you a quick update on that. My 99 is pretty much the way it was. Nothing's really changed there. It's done pretty well. I had to fix a couple minor things, but nothing big. The 97, however, I can't quite say the same thing about. Okay, guys, so the problem child has been problem childing again, which is apparently what it does. I'll try to show you. I don't even know if you can see this in the video, but basically the tensioner for the accessories, which is right there, I just found out the other day is bad, and I cannot get a clear shot of it for anything, but basically somewhere right in here, the arm where the spring is on the inside is separating and it's cocked sideways, which is why the belt's wearing funny. So I've got that to deal with, as well as the fact that it has developed a misfire on cylinder number 4 back here. That will not go away. It only occurs at idle, and it's off and on, but I've done a lot of diagnosing on it and it doesn't look too good. So we're probably going to be doing some exploratory surgery pretty soon. So I will do a video about that as well when I get to that point. But basically, so I've been dealing with that and some scheduling problems and stuff, and it's not that big of a deal. It's all stuff I'm going to get worked out, but that's why things have been a little shaky. But I do have still plenty of ideas. I have things I'm going to work on, so the content will be coming back. As a matter of fact, it has started to warm up here. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty sunny outside. It's actually nice. And if it keeps warming up like this, that's going to help out quite a bit with some of the videos that I wanted to do outside that I haven't been able to get decent weather for. So look forward to that. Other than that, I'm going to try to stick to my Tuesday and Thursday upload schedule. Thanks for anyone who is still watching through all this. I appreciate it. All your support is always noticed and appreciated. Drop me a like on this video if you plan on sticking around. If you're new here, subscribe and leave me some comments. Tell me what you think, what's been going on with you, anything you want to see me do, or just say hi. But that's going to be it for now. I will see you guys soon. Later.